Yes, Chinmay, you got the gold medal from Barampur University for your success.
Yes, sir.
You are the topper now.
Yes, sir.
Whom do you give this credit?
My parents, but also I will not forget Presidency College and its faculty members who have supported me in every situation, inspired me, encourages me to achieve the goal.
Can I get the information or answer from you that what made you perfect to be the topper?
Of course, my hard work, but also the systematic guidance of Presidency teachers who made me so far.
Chinmay, let us know your secret of success.
Yes, maybe I am an ardent follower of Presidency principles and my nature of discipline. That may be so.
Are you confident that you will get this gold medal today?
Of course not, but maybe I am optimistic. Presidency system is so, and I am ardent follower of its system that perhaps made me exclusive.
At least, Chinmay, what will be your reaction after getting this proud moment?
I'm really excited and I'm really grateful to be a proud Presidentian. I feel the blessings of my parents and I really feel that Presidency as a temple and their teachers as God.
What will be your message to the junior presidentians on this regard?
Of course, this time needs skilled mind and sound knowledge, which is achieved by discipline and hard work. The students should participate in their class as well as in their various programs like seminars, trainings, webinars, and many more. And the most important thing is added courses, which leads to success.